Hello guys, today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the new Kerr signature bass. It's a limited edition, it's a Jaguar model from Fender. It's made in Mexico, so let's do it. So here's the box. So here it's a nice bag with the bass that I didn't open yet. Here we also have a strap locking that is in gold color to match the hardware from the bass. So as I said, here it's a nice gig bag. Let's open this beauty. Yeah, it's a leopard print inside. Let's see. Look at this beauty. There is a silicone bag, card from Fender with some signatures. So yeah, there's a really nice plate here with the tiger printed Kerr signature here on the headstock, made in Mexico, Fender special edition. Yeah, let's hear some sounds. Very nice. Yeah. So I used the pickup from the bridge. So let's hear the pickup from the neck to see if we notice some difference. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, there it's very different between these two pickups. If you see in this part here, I will do first with the pickup from the bridge. So it's very treble sound, like if you use the pickup from the neck, the bigger one. Yeah, in the middle is like the best words of these two pickups. So I guess I probably would use in this position. Let's try another riff, shall we? Yeah, nice. That's it, guys. This is the new Kerr signature bass from Fender. It's astonishing. I I can't say enough. So thanks for watching. Please check my other covers and my channel and subscribe. See ya.